Imagine you're sitting at your desk, a cup of coffee steaming beside you. You've just received a message from your family back home, asking for financial assistance. You know you can help, but the question is, how? With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. Today, we're going to explore one service that might just make your life a whole lot easier: Paysend. Paysend is a global money transfer service that allows you to send money quickly and securely to friends, family, and businesses around the world. But the question is, where exactly can you use Paysend? Let's dive in. Paysend's global reach. Paysend has a truly impressive global footprint. It's available in a wide range of countries, spanning continents and covering diverse regions. From the bustling cities of Europe to the emerging markets of Asia and Africa, Paysend has you covered. Let's break it down by region. Europe. In Europe, Paysend is a popular choice for sending money. You can use it to transfer funds between countries like the UK, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and many more. Whether you're supporting a loved one studying abroad or paying for a service in another European country, Paysend can help. Asia. Asia is another region where Paysend has a strong presence. You can send money to countries such as India, China, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Whether you're helping a family member in need or supporting a business venture, Paysend offers a convenient and reliable solution. Africa. Paysend has also made significant inroads into the African market. You can send money to countries like Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, and many others. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to support loved ones or businesses in the rapidly growing African economies. North America. While Paysend may not be as widely known in North America as some other money transfer services, it still offers a viable option for sending money to and from the continent. You can use it to transfer funds between the United States and Canada, as well as to other countries in the region. South America. Paysend also serves the South American market, allowing you to send money to countries like Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, and Peru. This is especially useful for those who have family or business interests in the region. Oceania. Australia and New Zealand are also part of Paysend's global network. You can use the service to send money between these countries and to other parts of the world. Key features and benefits. Now that we know where Paysend is available, let's explore some of the key features and benefits that make it a popular choice for many people. Speed. Paysend is known for its fast transfer times. In many cases, funds can be received within minutes or hours, depending on the destination country and the specific transfer method used. Security. Paysend prioritizes security and employs advanced measures to protect your personal and financial information. You can send money with confidence knowing that your funds are safe. Affordability. Paysend offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees, making it a cost-effective option for sending money internationally. Convenience. The Paysend app and website are user-friendly, making it easy to send money from the comfort of your own home or on the go. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea of how Paysend can be used in real-life scenarios, let's consider a few examples. Supporting a family member abroad, a student studying in Europe might need financial assistance from their family back home. Using Paysend, the family can quickly and securely send money to the student's account. Paying for international services, a business owner in the United States might need to pay for a supplier in India. Paysend can be used to make the payment efficiently and cost-effectively. Sending money to friends. A traveler might want to send money to a friend in another country to cover expenses. Paysend offers a convenient way to do this. As you can see, Paysend is a versatile service that can be used in a wide range of situations. Its global reach, speed, security, affordability, and convenience make it a popular choice for people who need to send money internationally. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses around the world, Paysend is definitely worth considering. With its extensive network and user-friendly platform, it's a great option for people who value speed, security, and affordability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.